Welcome to Session 8, Figures on the Coordinate Grid. A drawing may look like a rectangle or right triangle, but appearance is not proof. Coordinates let us verify side length, direction, right angles, and collinearity. Today you will select distance or slope for the property you need and combine multiple facts to justify a figure's classification. Consider triangle A 0, 0, B 3, 0, and C 0, 4. Segment AB is horizontal because its Y values match. Segment AC is vertical because its X values match. Horizontal and vertical lines are perpendicular, so angle A is 90 degrees. The leg lengths are 3 and 4, and the diagonal BC is 5, confirming a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. To verify a rectangle, show more than equal-looking sides. Opposite sides must be parallel, adjacent sides must be perpendicular, and opposite sides must have equal lengths. For vertices -2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, and -2, 5, the horizontal sides measure 6, the vertical sides measure 4, and every corner is a horizontal-vertical right angle. 3 points are collinear when they lie on one straight line. Compare slopes between consecutive pairs. From 1, 2 to 2, 4, the slope is 2. From 2, 4 to 3, 6, the slope is also 2. Equal consecutive slopes show that the 3 points are collinear on the line y equals 2x. Choose evidence intentionally. Distance proves equal sides or diagonals. Slope proves parallel, perpendicular, or collinear structure. Horizontal and vertical coordinate differences give fast axis-aligned lengths. A convincing classification normally uses at least 2 properties. Equal opposite sides alone can describe a slanted parallelogram, so they do not prove a rectangle. Use this routine. Sketch and label vertices. List the required properties. Choose distance or slope for each. Calculate consistently, then state the conclusion. Final check. Slopes 2 and -1/2 are perpendicular because their product is -1. In Session 9, verified side lengths and heights will become perimeter and area. www.bridgetoexam.com